Fine. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be making a barbecue rack of lamb. Buddy is very excited about this, as you can see. So why don't we go ahead and get the grill fired up. I'll show you how to make the sauce that we're going to be putting on it, and we'll get cooking. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. I'll have them all listed in the description below. A lot of it is adding to taste, but some of our primary things that we'll be using today are the Rufus Teague and the bone-sucking sauce, steak, seasoning, and rub, as well as the bone-sucking sauce in the jar. So let's go ahead and get this cooking. We start off with a rack of lamb, a couple racks of lamb that we got from the Kirkland brand that we got from Costco, and we'll go ahead and get that package open. Now we're going to go ahead and cut these into sections of 2 each. We'll do that with the other package as well. Our next step is going to be to avoid cross-contamination. We're going to be taking some of our sauce, we'll put it on the plate and rub the meat into the sauce, and then move it over to our other plate over here. This way here we can save that sauce and use it for later as well. First things first though, I'm going to go wash my hands before I start touching the spoon. Okay, so we're back, and start out by taking a spoonful of our sauce. You usually do 2 tablespoons at a time onto the plate. Get this out of the way. I'm taking a fork, pick it up with. Use my fork and my knife to actually roll it around in it. Now as it cooks, we'll also baste it again. This will let us start it off well. Press it down in there. Move it over to our other plate over here. We'll do this with each one of these. Don't let the spoon touch the plate. Okay, let's take these over to the grill. It should be nice and hot now. Okay, our grill is set to about 400 degrees right now. We're going to go ahead and put these on. Place these right in here. We're going to let that cook about 5 minutes per side, 5-6 minutes per side, and we'll check it with a meat thermometer as well when we think that's about done. Stay tuned. Okay, so our timer just went off. We're going to brush the racks with some more of the sauce. And we're going to turn them. Take some of our sauce here. We don't need much this time. Just going to dribble across a little bit extra so that it can caramelize as it goes. Just a little bit. Take our brush. Make sure we get it on the sides as well. With our tongs, we're just going to flip them right over. A little bit more sauce on each one. That on and make sure that we get sides. Close it up and we'll come back in another 5 minutes. Okay, time to flip them on their sides. See how they're doing here. They're smelling excellent. Higher. There. Okay, we're going to give them one more basting and one more turning here. Basting here. All around here. Basting. This side. Go ahead and throw our meat thermometer in there. Nice thick one right here. Close it down. We want it to get to about 140 degrees internally. So I'm using the Taylor meat thermometer here, and just set it right there. We'll keep an eye on it. Once it hits 140, we'll go ahead and pull those off. Okay, so we hit our 140 mark. I've gone ahead and cleaned the platter so we can reuse that. We'll shut this off. We'll go ahead and pull these off. Don't touch it directly, it's hot. Those look awesome. They smell awesome. I think the family's going to be happy today. So they look awesome. They smell awesome. We're going to bring them inside, cover them with tin foil, let them rest for a few minutes, and we're going to eat. Let's go. Okay, now before everybody else comes in and sits down, I better check it out to make sure that it's decent. Yeah. Right there. That looks great. Incredible. Try out the recipe. Tell me what you think.